Okay, so I'm in this merge request about improving error messages. And I have opted to use the user interface to create suggestions um, to remove the sorry comma from these messages. And now that I've gone through and I've made all of those suggestions as part of like a review and submitted the review, I'm now going through and clicking on apply changes. And I'm getting I don't know if it's going to do it now that I'm recording it, but I'm getting an error message that the file has changed. Yeah. So here I got this message. Please refresh and try again, 9 colon. So I'll refresh the page. Apply suggestions. I thought I just clicked on that one. And that one. So perhaps now that I've refreshed the page, it'll work. Okay. No. Could not update. Please refresh and try again. I'll refresh again. Apply suggestion. So it kind of feels like I can really only do one of these at a time, even though I'm being presented with multiple apply changes buttons in each section. So here's a workflow I was doing previously. This is how I got the apply changes button in the first place. So I'm removing sorry comma. By the way, this button is really hard to click. It's pretty small. And this is something I frequently do this. And for something I frequently do, I would expect like the button, not, well, one, it wouldn't be an icon, two, it would be labeled, and three, it would be larger. And I feel like, these are actually formatting options. Inserting a suggestion isn't really a formatting option. So it's kind of hard to wrap my head around that sometimes. Got a couple more to go here, and then I'll try applying changes again, or finishing the review and then applying changes. Add to review. Okay. It looks like I took out all of the sorry statements. Well, actually, why does this say apply changes? Is that one that I didn't click before? So here, actually, I'm afraid to click this. I think even though it's presented to me, I don't trust that it'll work and I'll be able to finish the review. So I'll finish the review first. And then, okay, so all of the ones that I just modified say apply changes, apply suggestion, apply suggestion. I could have sworn that button said apply changes before. Apply suggestion. The suggestion is not applicable. There's no recommendation for a remedy like refreshing the page on that error message. So I don't know what's happening with the system if I'm clicking through these too quickly, if yeah, this is I think at this point I feel pretty frustrated and regret doing it from the UI. I think if I had done this from Visual Studio Code, actually, how did I miss these? I thought I got all these. if I did it from Visual Studio Code, I just would, change it there and then make a new commit. Okay, so that's spun, and now it says apply suggestion. Do I click it again? No. Finish review. So I'll submit this review, and then I'll refresh the page because it feels like there's a lot of stuff out of sync somehow. And again, like I feel like I already modified this one before, but now it still says sorry, comma. Kind of feel like I'm playing whack-a-mole here. What's going on there? Oh, now it says applied. So the timing on that was kind of weird. I clicked it, it spun, was doing something, it finished, button came back. I looked at the button for a little bit and then it changed to applied. That's very confusing. The synchronization there is kind of weird. So I click this one and I wait. That one immediately said applied. So it looks like I've caught all of these and made the changes successfully. But yeah, that was pretty tedious to say the least. And now I'm wondering like what's happening with the pipeline. I wonder if every time I applied changes, it made a new pipeline. Yes, boy, that's interesting. Yeah, anyway, that's what the experience with making suggestions and applying changes is like. Maybe I'm not doing it the right way. Maybe I should use the Web IDE. Maybe I should use Visual Studio Code, but the capability is presented there on that UI. So I feel like if it's presented, it should work as expected without a lot of error messages and confusing button states. Thanks for listening and watching.